These are the black ones. Let me try this first. I'm someone who really likes to have dark pens, you know. And if this is not dark, then my money is all waste. Ah, oh, this is great. This is great. I loved it. Finally, trust me when I say this, I was searching for this particular pen from last 2 to 3 months because I was not finding. इससे पहले भी मैंने बहुत सारे पेन्स ऑर्डर किए हैं लेकिन मुझे पसंद नहीं आ रहा है. लाइक दिस वन एंड दिस वन. डार्क नहीं है ये. डार्क वो एक होता है ना, वो फ्लो में जाए और डार्क हो, वैसा वाला मेरे को चाहिए था. आई थिंक दिस इज़ रियली गुड. लेट मी ट्राई द ब्लू वन. दीज आर द ब्लैक वंस and these are the blue ones. These are the blue ones. The flow is amazing. I loved this. I loved both of this. I loved it. And if you want to buy this particular product, then this is Horser Germany XO ball pen. Horser Germany XO ball pen. These are really good. These are really good for someone who's very specific about pens. Yeah.